In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track meeting booked events in Lemlist. So start by heading over to your Lemlist dashboard. Then next in the left panel, click on campaigns. Then open up your campaign. Then next is click on the gear icon at the top. And in the automation tab, just scroll to the bottom until you see when people book a meeting. So change it from continue to end lead to stop the sequence. Then next, head over to sequence. And from here, you can actually add a condition. So first, click on the add step button. Then switch to conditions. Then select book a meeting. Then click on the add button on yes. So here you can actually move them to a different path like a post booking follow up sequence. So from here, select send to another campaign. And all you have to do then is select the campaign that you have for post booking follow up sequence. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!